Hi everyone, welcome back. First and foremost, I want to apologize for not putting a video out yesterday. I just didn't feel up to it, but I am here today. Still have a headache, but I am going to put a video out today. It's not going to be anything too major. As you can see in front of me, I have the octopus mold. This was one of the molds that was in Terry's box that she sent to me. I've got my resin mixed up here. I am using the Let's Resin casting resin, and I have put eyes in him. And as you can see over here, I've got some colors they're the Octopus fluid inks, and I want to do a yellow and a darker teal color. And the ocean is pretty light, so I dug out the petrol, and so I just sprayed a little alcohol in those little cups, and I put a drop or two in there. And this is the sun, and that's not the color I'm looking for, so that's a no. This is the lemon, which is perfect. And then this is what the petrol looks like, and it's the perfect dark teal. So those are the two colors that we're going to be using today, along with the enoki. And I've my resin's mixed up. I just need to go run it through the vacuum chamber, and then we are going to get the colors in this little octopi. I've never used, I don't even own an octopus mold, so this will be the first for me, and I've always wanted one. I've just never had one, so let's see how cool we can make this little octopus. And it's not octopi. Octopi is multiple, so it's octopus. Okay, let me go run this through my vacuum chamber, and then I will be right back. Okay, y'all, all ready. Make sure you're in frame here. I think I'm just going to use these right out of the bucket here first. Might as well not waste them. I'm just going to pour this in here. This cup is kind of full. Let me pour some of this off. It's hard to do this when this is full. Okay, that's better. It's kind of hard to get that down there inside that head. Now push that out. There we go. See how that's coming out of there now? I'll let that move for just a minute. And then I'm going to add 1 drop right there. Make sure that I'm not filling it too full. Just going to let it move all by itself. I'm not going to help it. Let's see if that fills it up. Isn't that cool? Sorry, you guys, my nose is running today. I've got allergies. And that's going to fill it up, y'all. That is so cool how that looks. Okay, that's it. That is full. All right. We will be back. Jeez, whoa. We will be back on demold. See how this little octopus looks. All right. All right. BRB. Be right back on demold. Okay. Bye. Hey, y'all. Welcome back. Are we ready to take this out of here and see how it turned out? Now, I've never demolded this, so I'm not sure how you do it. So it will be, oh, well, I guess it's that easy. Don't want to rip off his little tentacles. Like I said, this is just a quick video today because I am just totally under the weather. This migraine. I'm hoping that going to bed early tonight will, and tomorrow will be a better day. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Really? Hold on a second here, y'all. Get this head out of here. How do you do this? You just push it out? Just like that, I guess. Huh? Okay. Well, here he is. His eyeballs. Oh, that's hilarious. Well, I mean, it turned out pretty good for not ever doing one before. I think if I mean, does he look cross-eyed? I think he does. He might look a little cross-eyed, but that's okay. I think maybe I should have maybe used the ocean and made it a little brighter, but I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I really want the big mold, the big octopus mold, because it's a bigger head, you know, on it. But it's cute. Cute. It's a cute little mold. Nice and shiny. All right, you guys. Well, that's my magnificent project for the day. You can see all those little wispies and stuff in there. It turned out really good. I like how it turned out. It's really cute, cool. I don't know if you can see them in there or not, but it looks pretty cool. I like those two colors together. Looks good. Okay, well, y'all, that's it for me today. I am going to hit the hay early, and hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So, yeah, let me know what you think about Mr. Octopus here. I don't even know what to name him. But, yeah. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why not? It's free. Let me maybe put something behind it here. See if maybe a color will make it stand out. There. That's better. Now you can really see the color stand out. But hit subscribe if you haven't. I can't even talk. It's free, and yeah. So remember, stay curious, stay creative, and always stay positive and be kind. And we'll see you on Monday. And hopefully I'm feeling much better by then. Thanks for coming in with me on this short little video. And yeah, we'll see you on Monday. Bye, y'all. Have a great Sunday, and take care. Bye.